Where are we headed?
We're headed to the Central Market.
And what are we gonna do?
We are gonna get ingredients from there to cook dinner, and only get ingredients from there. A fully market-fueled dinner.
Stay tuned. We are going into the Central Market.
Yes, we are. That's the Central Market, baby.
Are we looking for anything specific?
I don't know yet. We do need cash.
Oh yeah.
Quick piece of advice. The ATM in the middle of the market has a minimum withdrawal fee of 200 USD dollars. So we were walking to a bank across the street for likely a much better conversion rate and not a insane minimum. This exchange rate was much better, and we were able to take out about $85 instead of 200.
Yeah.
Pretty cool little currency they got. I do like seeing currencies from other countries.
Me as well.
I think they're actually quite a bit prettier than the US most of the time.
All right, take two. We're getting after it.
Oh, yeah,
Market
we're back.
time.
I don't know if they'll have potato. Do you see any?
I did last time.
This is all pork.
All right, so we're thinking steak. We're gonna be on the lookout for meat. Yep, Dom said potatoes. That sounds great.
Perhaps some herbs.
We shall see. Hi, just one. Is it 200? Thank you. Yeah.
So a kilogram of potatoes, 2 onions, and a clove of garlic was like $3, I think.
Yeah. We found the ribeye. We got it?
Yeah.
We got the meat.
So for 2.5 pounds of ribeye, it would have been $27, give or take.
Not bad.
It's not bad.
Not
back
at
in
all.
the U.S., back in Breckenridge, that would have cost $74 and you're left kidney.
We decided we're hungry, so we're gonna go upstairs to the food court and we're gonna get a snack.
Big time. Show me that sausage.
Gotta eat this sausage.
Big time.
So good.
Microphone.
Thoughts? Good?
What do you think?
It's dinner time! So we're going to get into what we are making for dinner with what we got from the market today.
We got like 2.5 pounds of potatoes that we just chopped up into these little pieces. We're gonna throw these in the oven with some spices.
And some onion. These are onions we got at the market today. We'll
Some
put
onion.
those in there. Some garlic that we got at the market.
Some garlic. Some salt and pepper, which we did not get at the market, and probably some dried rosemary, which we did also not get at the market. But outside of that, everything we got from the market. Once those are in, we're gonna work on this meat, which looks absolutely delightful.
Oh.
Wow! These are 1.15 kilograms, I believe, which should be close to 2.5 pounds of awesome ribeye.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cook those up with some garlic, some butter, some olive oil, maybe a little bit of rosemary. All of these ingredients, I think, were about $27 at the market. So the onions, potatoes, garlic, 2.5 pounds of ribeye,
Yeah.
$27. Pretty sweet.
Yeah. That's an awesome deal compared to what we're used to.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so let's get into it. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more.